ยอยักษ์ของเรามีจุดหมุนอยู่ระหว่างแรงพยายามและแรงต้านค่ะ
ควายในประเทศไทยก็จะมีอยู่2สายพันธุ์ก็คือควายป่าแล้วก็ควายบ้าน
ท่านี้เนี่ยเขามูฟเมนต์แบบนี้เนี่ยมันเป็นกล้ามเนื้อมัดไหนทำงาน
ก็คือเราจะเอาสมการคณิตศาสตร์มาออกแบบตัวลวดลายต่างๆของลูกปัดก็อาจจะเป็นคำนวณต้นทุนที่เหมาะสมที่สุดก็ได้นะ
มโนรานะคะ
Nora is linked to the physical sciences of anatomy and physiology.
ท่ารำของมโนราเนี่ยก็จะมีการเคลื่อนไหวทุกส่วน
Nora's dance involves movement of every part of the body. There is a function of the muscles that are attached to the skeletal bones or skeletal muscles. There are movements from the head, torso, arms, and legs, which movement will cause the strength of the muscles attached to the skeletal structure. Nora's movement will also cause changes in the joints. They move like this. It is the muscle that work. The person who practices Nora will have the flexibilities of the muscles of the joints, which we call flexibility. In addition, another form of muscle work, such as the posture that must be balanced, the work of the abdominal muscles and the back muscles will have a function that will cause the angle of movement may not change. But there is a tightness of the muscles or isometric contraction which contributed to the strength of the body and the balance.
คนที่ฝึกซ้อมมโนราเนี่ยไม่ใช่ได้แค่เรื่องของกล้ามเนื้อเท่านั้นนะคะ
People who practice Nora are not just about their muscles. Every brain section will have related functions. Both the left brain and the right brain are coordinated. Steps of Nora postures and various movements require planning of the movements. Therefore, in the nervous system, there is a part of the brain that functions in ordering movements or motor cortex. By coordinating with the planning part of the brain, which is called promoter cortex. In planning a movement, it is not just the pattern of steps, arms, legs, or movements, but the movements have to be subtle and smooth. The work of the nervous system must be linked to the cerebellum.
ซึ่งบทร้องเนี่ยก็จะมีความเกี่ยวข้องกับชุมชนเกี่ยวข้องกับสังคม
In addition to dancing, there will be singing in which the lyrics are relevant to the community, society, and culture. Thus, those who practice Nora will develop in terms of society and emotionals too, because music helps to develop a very important part of the brain in humans. It is the forebrain, known as the prefrontal cortex. How important is this area of the brain? This area develops emotion, so that is a very important benefit of practicing Nora.
ด้วยโนราเนี่ยมีท่าในการไร่รำเนี่ย
With Nora having various movements from simple to complex levels, nowadays Nora's postures has been adapted to cardio or aerobic exercise called Norabic. When combined with the Nora posture, the advantages is that the posture of the movement will increase the strength and flexibility of joints. The Nora rhythms are slow and fast. Finally, take it to adjust to aerobics. It is called continuous exercise that developed during the performance of the respiratory system and cardiovascular system. Moreover, Nora has benefit in terms of emotional and social because exercise is grouping up together. Therefore, there will be interaction. They are also about the music and the gestures which bring happiness and affect the emotional and physical aspects. We already know that a healthy mind affects physical performance to the good results.